Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see the title, I will be answering your questions, and this was last week. I posted a picture of me last week, and then all the questions, since Instagram will what you call it, like after the story it will go away or something, so I just screenshot all the questions that you guys sent me, and then yeah, I will answer it for you. So yeah, this is like my first time doing this Q&A, like sit down, but with a twist. I will be drinking. So here, this is the Caprico watermelon sangria. This is made with premium grape wine with natural flavors and grape skin extract added, and it has 13.9% of alcohol. And I have my glass with ice. I'm just gonna pour. Oof. I do have the Red Horse. If you're not familiar with Red Horse is a Filipino beer, but I'm just gonna drink this because I kind of like this better. I mean, Red Horse is really good, but this one is, it has like watermelon flavor in it. So anyway, it smells really freaking good. This is really strong, you guys, and sometimes I just like mix it with water because that's how strong it is. So let me just have a drink. Like, have a sip. Have a sip. Okay, so anyways, let me go to my phone and go to my screenshots. Okay, so the first question is, how old are you? So I am 23 years old. Yes, my birth month is May. I'm a Gemini. if you're like into horoscope. Okay, next question is oh my god, fake friends. So it just says fake friends. It doesn't says anything. It just say fake friends with question mark. So I guess I don't know how to answer this question. I do have fake friends before, and I cut a lot of people, like deadass cut a lot of people. There's different type of friends. Like there's hangout friends, there's friends that are really like down to you, there's friends that that really know me, like my everything and all. Like I have that friends, and they're from Philippines. Like Mariela is one of my best friend, Mary Francis is one of my best friend, and they're just like the day one best friend. Like I have a high school best friend too, which is Gadra. They're very successful now. So yeah, Gadra's a teacher, and she teaches in high school, I think. And yeah, so they're like my like really good best friend. I also have some friends that from the city where I live, Daryl and Natalie, Macy. I do have a lot of girlfriends, and also Angel. That's my friends in college too. Like, you know, like I know that, you know, that they're true, because I have some friends that are just like fake. And here in United States, my friend is Clarice. She's like, you already seen in her vlog, like we always hang out together. Like we just match. That's the thing, we just match. There's no, you know, I like the friendship that there's no competition and all. So that's what I love about the people that I want to be friends with. There's Clarice, there's Ate Mimi. I you know, call her a friend. And also Viola, you know how she always tells me like how I don't have a filter in me. Like if I tell her like the truth, I will like tell her the truth. And my best friends know this, like I would not sugarcoat anything. So yeah, that's just me. Like I don't want to be, you know, I'm like, oh my god, I want to be family, oh my god, you're so, like I'm not that person, you know what I mean? Like I don't sugarcoat stuff. If I tell you you're wrong, you're wrong. I don't. And I love how my friends are true to me as well. Like they tell me, like they're honest to me, you know, like there's no fake shit. So how about you? But my friends are real. Okay, next question is, paano kayo nagkilala ni Ate Clarice Max? Thank you po. Shoot, kailan kami nagkilala? No, I think it's somewhere in Lian's video. She's a YouTuber as well, or Chinkitita's live. Hold on, let me try to FaceTime her. I have no idea, so I'm gonna just like FaceTime her so you guys can see, or you guys know, or something like that. I don't know. she's not answering. She's probably sleeping or eating or watching Tulfo. She's addicted to Tulfo. Bah! Tapos nagdedebate talaga kami paano kami nagkakilala. Nakalimutan ko na. Hindi siya online. Wait, online ata siya sa ano. Ano bang ginagawa ng babaeng to? Ba't hindi sumasagot?
2,000 years later.
Okay, mag-move on na tayo kasi hindi sumasagot yung bruha. Pero I think it's either in Chinkitita's live. Nakita ko siya, nag-pop up siya. Kasi nag-comment siya sa live ni Chinkitita. Taga Maryland daw siya. Or, nakita ko na din yung comment niya kasi kay Lian. They're both, Chiquitita and Lian is, they're both on YouTube as well. So, I think doon kami nagkakilala first. Tapos, nag-follow ako kay Clarice sa Instagram. Nag-search talaga ako sa kanya kasi I'm like, oh my God, taga Maryland siya. So, yeah, I follow her sa Instagram first. Tapos, nag-DM ako sa kanya. Tapos, doon na, nag-click na kami. So, I think yan yung, paano kami nagkalala. So, the next one is, okay, before the question, let me have a sip. Okay, so the question is, where's your parents? I get this question a lot. Only my few friends and also from the people that are from the Philippines that, know me, they know that my both parents passed away. My mom passed away last 2013, and then my dad passed away 2015. I don't really want to go over the details because it's my parents, and I'm still not, like, I'm not ready to tell the world like what's the cause of their like their death or stuff like that. So yeah, to answer your question, they both passed away, but yeah, that's it. Okay, next question is tutorial on how, okay, not a question, but can you do a tutorial on how to low bun? I love your hairstyle. Oh, thank you. So I actually do get this a lot as well. So I will try to do a tutorial on how to do like the low bun. I'm still not mastered on how to do it, but I'm getting there. So I will definitely do a tutorial for that hairstyle. And thank you so much for telling me that you like my hairstyle. And then, okay, this question is Tagalog. It says, bakit po wala masyado sa vlog? Bakit po wala masyado sa vlog si hubby mo po? So in English, like, why is your husband is not in the vlog? To answer your question is, yung husband ko, hindi siya masyadong ang tawag nito, I try not to put him in a camera because he's really not used to being a camera. Sometimes if I vlog, if we go vlog like groceries, sometimes like he knows that I'm vlogging. Also like, babe, I'm gonna vlog today, and he was like, are you vlogging today? I'm like, and he's very supportive of me, like he's very like supportive. But I myself, like, I just don't want him to be in the in the camera, to be like out of spot like that. It may not look like he's not in the vlog, but we're together every day. That I don't have to like show you guys. I don't have to show him in the vlog every day. You know what I mean? Because I want his space. I want him to keep his space and like privacy as well. So that's just me. Okay, next question. Before that, let me just have a sip. Okay, next question. What inspires you to create a YouTube channel? This is from my friend Angel. Okay, at first is actually I want to share like my thoughts on like makeup, and just to justify me buying a lot of makeup, and I just want to show you guys like how I do it. Like 3 or 4 years ago, I wasn't good in makeup. I mean, until now, I think I'm still like learning on how to do makeup and stuff. Like I'm not gonna tell you I'm like, oh my god, I'm really good at makeup now, like I'm still not, like, I'm still learning to do makeup right now. And yeah, that's inspires me to try and actually show you guys like the lifestyle here in America, and to show you guys a a glimpse of on my life. And I actually love this video because last year when I went to Philippines with my husband in our vacation last year, when I started vlogging, my camera was not really good. It was the G11, I think Canon G11, and it wasn't really a good quality of camera, but you know, that's what I had before. And then what I just want to do is like, you know, film like the memories of like me and my family, and like the memories of me and my friends. So that's just like what got me started and inspired me to do, is just like make memories. And then I'm still doing that, you know, to make memories and actually share knowledge to you guys. Like I do reviews, video reviews, but I'm not really like professional beauty guru because I'm still learning myself. So that's just, you know, that's just the start. So next question. Okay, hold up. Can't think of any, but would love to see your home cooking sometimes. This is from Inday Chinchin. So okay, this is gonna turn out a cooking with me or something like that. So I actually love to cook. Like as much as I would love to eat, I love to cook as well. Especially my husband too, he loves to cook as well. He's more on a very, very healthy side, and you know, him teaching me how to cook his type of foods, because when I got here I only know Filipino food. Like I didn't know how to cook like American food, you know what I mean. He teach me like a different type of foods, like how to prepare them and everything. So yeah, this is gonna be a cooking vlog or cooking channel. So anyways, yeah, I will probably do that soon. Yes, I'll probably do that soon, like a cooking vlog. Okay, next one is also Tagalog. Ilan po kayo magkakapatid? We are actually 5. Pang-tatlo ako sa lahat. So, yung first is Ate Sydney. Meron na siyang anak, which is yung pamangkin ko na si Raven. Tapos, yung second is si Trisha. Meron na din siyang baby, which is, he's so cute and adorable. Zach, hi baby! You always watch my videos too. And then, ako yung pangatlo. Tapos, yung pang-apat is lalaki, which is si Genesis. Tapos, pang-5 is si Mika. Yan yung mga ano ko, mga kapatid. Insert ko yung mga pictures nila, ha? Diyan. Okay, this next question is actually funny. Is your lips fake? No! You see this? This is not fake. How is that fake? I feel like it's the filter on Instagram. Because in Instagram, they have these fake filters and I always use them sometimes. But they're like my favorite. Because it just make your lips like more bigger like this. But this is actually my real lips, you guys. That's my... That's my real lips. It's not fake. Yeah, this is my fake lip. This is not fake. This is real. Oh my god, that's funny. I get that a lot too. Like, is your lips fake? I'm like, no ma'am. This is real. Okay? That's real. This is sa Tagalog. Tagasan po kayo sa US. So, nasa Maryland ako. Before nga, yung nag-uusap pa kami ng happy ko. And sabi niya sa akin na taga Maryland daw siya. I really looked that up online kasi hindi ko nga alam saan ba yung Maryland. So yung Maryland is close sa Washington DC, which is the White House, and also close din siya sa Baltimore, Virginia, and also Virginia. Yeah, so yan yung Maryland. Maglalagay lang na ako ng map dito kung saan yung Maryland. Okay, next question. But yung question niya parang weather. Ilan po yung season dyan? So, we have 4 seasons here where I live. We have spring, summer, fall, and winter. Yeah. So, 4 na season kami dito. Spring, summer, fall, and then winter. I really hate winter, guys. Okay, next question. But before that, let's drink. I just want to finish this drink. Really good. What's your favorite food? Ooh, let's talk about food. Okay, Okay, so I do love Filipino food, you guys, like adobo, sisig, lechon. I can name every Filipino food. Like, they're good. Like, they're freaking good. I like everything. I'm just being, to be honest with you, I like every food on earth. Like, I love food, that's just me. But my favorite food is like Filipino food, like I said, and then I also like American food, actually, like burgers and stuff, but I don't really reach out for them. But I do love burgers too, and I like, not love, but like burgers. And then let's see, I like breakfast. Okay, let's just say breakfast, I like my toast, avocado toast with egg. And then I also like a, whatchamacallit, oatmeal, and then with banana. That's like my typical like on the go breakfast. And then my lunch would probably, oh guys, I love Chipotle. Chipotle is bomb. You guys, Chipotle is good. Like, before, when my husband introduced me to Chipotle, every food that he introduced me before, I was like, oh, what is that? Like, I could never eat that. But now bitch is like, I love me some Chipotle, I love me some tacos. Yeah, I do love Chipotle, and I love tacos too, especially beef tacos from Chipotle too. Oh my god. And also their burrito. Yeah, I actually love burrito as well. Okay, next question. But before that, let's have a drink so I can finish this whole drink. Okay, the next question is, would love to see your music playlist look like. Oh, okay, so my friend, actually Mariella, she told me to do a car music. Like, I will play like my favorite music at the time while in the car, like just jamming them. And I'm kind of afraid for like the copyright, because I know YouTube is very strict now. So I think if I still have to buy a car mount for my camera, you guys, for like the dash in my car, because so I can start vlogging while I'm driving, you know what I mean, so I can, like, you know, talk to you guys while I'm driving. So anyways, I might just order that off of Amazon, but they're really expensive. They're like $30 or to $15. So I'm gonna try to find a way to whatchamacallit, like do that and show you guys like my music. So yeah, thank you for asking though. Not a question, but please, would love to see your updated everyday makeup look. Oh, okay, so I was actually planning on doing the updated everyday makeup look, because I've been doing like the very just settle down, like, you know, no crazy eyeshadows, and then I reach out on more like my nude lipstick. So I'm gonna share it to you guys, like a everyday updated makeup look. So yeah, I will try to film that. I still have to buy an extra memory card though, because the memory card that I'm using right now is from the vlogging camera, because I actually don't know where's my other memory card, because my dad has just lost everything, as I always do. Because I want to film now with my not G7X, but my SL2, which is my filming camera, supposed to be for sitting down, but my damas I just keep losing my memory card. I don't know why. I just don't know. Okay, this is very personal. So yung question niya, okay, this is Tagalog. It's like a mix and match for English and Tagalog, because I do have Filipino viewers and I have like American viewers. So okay, so mag story time po kayo sa mga exes niyo. First of all, no, that's just a big no. I don't want to share my ex's story, because I don't consider them as exes anymore, because I just don't consider them as exes. But kasi yung ibang mga ex ko, ano, yung may mga ano na, may iba na din. Tapos I move on, naka-move on na ako, like we all move on. I'm just gonna, you know, I'm just gonna keep it that way. We all move on. But meron pa ding mga exes ko na ano, nagdi-DM, tapos may nagpaparinig, mga ganun. So, but I just don't really care, like I don't care. Okay, next question. Love your personality po. Keep doing you with heart. Oh, you guys are the sweetest. And oh my god, my battery is like pink, pink, pink. So I think, oh wait, do I have more questions? Actually no. Okay, wait. So anyways, I don't want this Q&A to be long, and I'm just gonna finish my drink by myself. Actually, I'm really hungry, so I might just go downstairs and have get some food. So anyway guys, I actually love this Q&A, and I hope you like this Q&A, and with a drunk Q&A. I'm actually just a little bit tipsy, but anyways, I'm gonna try to do more Q&As, like, you know, get to know me Q&A, like questions, and I will post a picture of me and with a ask question box Instagram, or if you have some questions, like follow me on Instagram and DM me, and also leave a comment down below if you have more questions, and I will, you know, I will probably film that. So anyway guys, like this video, subscribe to my channel. If you haven't already, you might as well subscribe, because you've been watching my video. Don't be a creep that will search my name on YouTube or even on Instagram and you're not even following me. I see you. Okay, so anyway guys, hope you like this video. Like I said, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys on my next one. Bye.